Hello, I'm Simon Chinnery. I currently work with Legal and General Investment Management. I've been in the city for, God, longer than I care to think, but about 36 years, I think. I am really interested in personal development work within the context of a group environment, a corporate environment. And what I liked about the program that Andrew and Eudora ran was that it was very, very interesting to hear other people's perspective on their different work environments and what their challenges were. And ultimately, I was just reminded we are all human beings and we all have our challenges, our ups and downs, but there's something about how do we get the best out of ourselves and then share that in a group environment. And I came away from that 2 days of quite intense and wonderful exploration of what it is to be human and what it is to be in a work environment, exploring what the challenges are and what the kind of opportunities are. And I could just give you one little example. We did a little exercise of what I do more and what I do less of. And I can't remember the details, but I remember being very surprised by how much I had down in a bottom right-hand corner and how much I thought, I want to do more of that stuff and get it up the top. That probably doesn't make any sense, but it will if you do the course.